In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your chats on Messenger. Hiding your chats on Messenger can enhance privacy by preventing unauthorized access to your conversations. It can also provide peace of mind knowing that your sensitive discussions are kept confidential. To do this, simply head into your Messenger. On your chat page, tap on these three lines right here and head into your settings. On the settings page, select the fourth option of privacy and safety. On this page, head into hidden contacts. To hide any chat, just tap on Add, select any contact you wish to hide. When hidden, you won't find their chat in the Messenger chat section. You can unhide them at any time. That's how easy it is to hide your chats on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.